So, warm welcome to our Sunday Pathshala, Heartful Learners Academy. It is our patent Sunday program, which we always do free of charge. And we have refined some of our vision and mission statement. As we are progressing and as we are able to refine, we keep learning and we keep improving ourselves. So happy to introduce this vision statement of Heartful Learners Academy, and I hope all of you will appreciate it. To help manifest the we consciousness on earth by enabling a win-win way of life supported by the principles, teachings, and self-expansion techniques of organizations that are working towards the same goal. This will be achieved by enabling goodness ambassadors to become heartful learners, heartful earners, and heartful givers. What is our mission statement? It is to create thousands of heartful community influencers throughout the world that inspire their communities to live and act in we consciousness. So lately, my spiritual guide has also been talking about heartful communities, of how communities should imbibe heartful principles. And heartful means universal love, brotherhood, sharing, caring, genuine. So these are all aspects of heartful community. And the beauty, dear participants, is that most people understand this, and that's a very good point. The people, it immediately resonates by people's heart ki haan, ye jo hai, this is right, this is the right thing. And but when it comes to action, we are not able to come even close to what we feel. There's a big gap. Some gap will always be there. We are human beings. We set visions, we set ideals, but we are not able to always be perfect as per our own thinking and thought, as per our aspirations, which is okay, which is understandable. But the gap should not be so big that we are not able to, where it becomes, when we stop looking at the vision itself. Because it is not achievable, let me not do it, let me forget about it. There's no time to look at all these things. So that is why this Heartful Learners Academy has been formed with these following objectives. Before we go to objectives, today's program is about technology upgrade. I will come to this program a little later. We'll spend 45 minutes on this. But it is our routine to spend time talking about our vision objectives. So we will do that first. And then I'll come back to technology upgrade. So this is about me, Vishal Ganeriwal. As we progress, you will keep seeing more and more things about me. And I am also growing with this program as the program is proceeding. I have a position of vision growth partner and business start coach. So business start coach comes from a professional experience of working as a businessman last 24 years with a lot of deep reading and working at top level positions in companies as director, vice president marketing, vice president operations. And my vision is to help people start their businesses. Most people have business potential, and I believe that business is the right way to not only earn more money, but also help others. So if it is possible, for me, business is always the first choice. Certain times it is not possible, but for people who are ready, but who do not know how to take the next step, that's where I come in. The business start coach, where I bring in my learning curve, where I tell them about the best practices to start a business, so that their start is not only fast, but also the risk is very low. So that is my positioning of a business start coach. As far as vision unlocking is concerned, you have been listening to me, and you realize, and my life's passion is to help unlock the vision that is already there in every human being. A human being is a divine person, and there is a vision in him that says, Sarva Jana Sukhi Bhavantu, or let there be divine consciousness everywhere. Let me be happy. Let everyone be happy. Let the happiness not be restricted only to me. So this sort of universal brotherhood is what I am looking at. It can be unlocked in so many ways. If you're a teacher, you can unlock it in some way. If you're a businessman, you can unlock it in some way. If you're a consultant, you can unlock it. If you're a student, you can unlock it, everyone. You can unlock it in some way. The idea is we should recognize that vision and unlock it based on what we are, what our gifts are in this life. So that is my second position in life. I am a vision growth partner. All vision growth need not always be related to money, but I do believe that that if you have an integrated approach in life where you are not only helping yourself but others and also giving, that is the best vision that you can have. It is not a great idea to have uh, a platform or a method where you're only giving or you're only taking. That is not life. Everything that you see in life is give and take, flow. Everything flows. So if you are really want to unlock your vision, you have to get into the natural rhythm of life, where the giving and the taking is happening, and everything, including you, is growing. So that's the context of Heartful Learners Academy. I will also formally take you through the 3 objectives. There are few people who are new, and I would like to read out the 3 objectives. I spoke about the mission and the vision, and these are the 3 key objectives of the Heartful Learners Academy. The first is Heartful Learning, to help people with free and paid resources and training that can help them improve their personal skills, knowledge, and mental attitudes, thus empowering them to become heartful influencers of their communities. Whatever is, it is like a finishing school. Whatever you need to shine, to help, to really find the confidence in yourself, those things we want to present here, as far as possible free, and when it is not possible, free at some reasonable price which you can afford, and you can enjoy the learning process. The next idea is Heartful Earnings, to help people identify, unlock, and harness their strengths, enabling them to earn money, especially by leveraging opportunities on the internet. These will be paid and free programs curated to ensure that programs create real value for community members. So one problem with all good people, not all, most good people, is that they don't have money. They suffer from something is wrong. People who seem to be, having a leaning on the other side, on the side, they seem to be having, they seem to be well endowed with financial wellness and health, whereas people who are on the path of goodness seem to be money shy. So it is an attempt. It is my attempt through this learning platform to discover that can good heart and good money be together. Where my earlier spiritual trainer, my guide, Chariji Maharaj used to say, that we need people more on this earth who have, we have people on this earth with either they have good hearts or they have good money. We need to bring a combination where people with good heart and also have good money. And this has been promoted by also my guide, beloved Daji, who says the same thing, that when money is in the hand of good people, it can cause a lot of goodness in the world. And if the same money is in the hand of people who are not evolutionary, who are not empathetic, I don't want to call them bad people, that would be judgmental. But I would like to call them people who are inward looking. All I should have, they'll not let it flow. They will not think of everyone. They will not have the bhavna of Sarvajana Sukhi Bhavantu. I am Sukhi Bhavantu is all that they're going to worry about. Or maybe 1 or 2 people in their family. So where is the health? Where is that wealth better? That wealth better is in the hands of people who have a large expanded consciousness, and so that they can do, spread goodness everywhere. That's the idea when we call about heartful earnings. And the third, of course, is heartful giving, which I have already spoken about, which is an extension of what I am thinking, that to motivate community members, which is all of you and me, to pay it forward by sharing their personal empowerment and financial wellness that they achieve here by supporting others with their knowledge, time, and money. We also plan to create a win-win, self-sustaining, scalable support ecosystem for noble causes of this world. So, the sign of divinity is selflessness. The more selfless you are, the more divine you are. But at least before we reach no divinity levels, can we be a human being, and stop being human being is a person who gives and takes, who doesn't have a problem in seamlessly receiving and seamlessly. So whether you can give your time, your money, your knowledge, all is welcome, and especially the money, because good causes need money. Going forward, we will attempt to create certain business formats here, where if you participate in it in a very joyful way, um, you know, for example, we may promote certain products, and a good part of that product will go towards charity, or the product may be made by certain self-help groups who make a quality product, but they don't have a market. So when we promote their product, they will get benefited. So this kind of economics is what we want to bring in, so that the giving and the taking is embedded in the transaction. So this is all about the Heartful Learners Academy. And now let's get into today's topic, which is very interesting, which is this technology upgrade. Okay. So let's come straight to the topic, why technology upgrade, or a little, okay, maybe 2 slides more. So now let me go to full presentation mode. So that, yes. Who came in late, and I'm just recording this. You can read it at your convenience. Okay, so first of all, for people who are new here, let us understand what is a digital highway. See, just like there is a physical highway in this world with roads and sub-roads, and today the entire world is connected digitally, using satellites, Wi-Fi, telephone, emails, social media. Many of you here uh, may be aware of all these things, or may not be aware of all these things. And this technology course will help you to understand all these concepts that we are talking. But it will be sufficient right now for us to know that just like there is a physical highway, there is a digital highway, and people are more and more going to communicate on this digital highway, which is not really seen, but which is there. How your mobile is connected to another to information you don't know. Some waves are coming, some satellite is coming, and it is perhaps not also so important to know how it is happening, but it is a fact that it is happening. And if we have to remain relevant in this world, and keep and make ourselves useful to it, then this digital highway is something that we need to understand. So in one of my earlier seminars, I had talked about the selling aspect. We had talked about the selling aspect using digital technology. I had given an introduction on that, and what are the today, we are going to touch about the topics of learning and teaching. For example, what I am using digital technology to teach, and you all are using digital technology to learn. In fact, the whole special focus learning group is about learning using digital technology. What the group will go through, the special learning group, which is being found for learning basic technology and social media, that is going to be extremely based on your self-learning, based on digital technology. And you'll be surprised. We go around asking people, we keep scratching our head, we don't know. And it is all over there. You'll be surprised. So one of my key objectives of doing this is to enable people to learn. How do you learn? So now we're moving to the learning and teaching aspects. It's an extra slide, sorry. So again, just summarizing why we need to, it's quite evident, just put the slide to make this comprehensive. All of us know that this world is changing. It is becoming more and more digital. The younger generation is more and more digital. And if once they the younger generation starts entering the mainstream of work, and unless you're digital, you are not going to survive. Another advantage of being digital is that all the automatic and boring and routine work can be put onto the technology. And if you are a person who loves creativity and action, and live action, inspired action, you are going to really enjoy this digital journey. In short, we really do not have a choice now, and we have to remain relevant to the world, we have to digitally upgrade. So today's presentation, and also the special learning that is going to follow over the next few weeks in the special learning group, which I have called HLE Social Media Group 1, is about, in education we say, you can be a double PhD, or you can be graduate, or you're 12th. So consider what you're going to learn here is 10th or 12th, of digital technology. The idea here is not to make you experts. And frankly speaking, I am also not a digital expert. As I am learning, I am passing on. And but uh, by my own experience and how I have improved, I know what are the things now that you need to know so that you are digitally self-sufficient. The digital knowledge is no longer a choice; it is a life skill. You must know how to swim. You must know how to ride a car, drive a car. You must know so many life skills. How to talk properly, communication, decision making. So digital technology itself is a life skill. So by going through this program, you will get a very good idea, that a very good foundation, and you will know what further things I have to know to build up my expertise. But you will get at least a 12 standard kind of a result. If PhD is an expert, then you will get a 12 standard level understanding of things. So this is now I'm beginning to talk about what this learning program is going to all about. Some of the things are going to be a little basic, because if there are some members here who really don't even know what are the basic features of a laptop or a mobile, we want to do something for them also, so they should not feel that, or and whenever one request to all the members who are going to be part of this learning group is, don't feel shy in asking a question. If it's a very silly question, no one is asking, don't worry. You are investing your time in this learning program, and more importantly, you have committed yourself to be a goodness ambassador. As goodness ambassador, whatever campaigns that Heartful Learners Academy, goodness campaigns, which you like, you feel, yes, this is good, you should promote it. And that is our selfish, if you like to call it, desire that, once we release a campaign, then thousands and thousands of people should get that message. We should become like a faster than, like faster than Corona, we should become. We want to spread goodness. So for that, it's very important that you get full benefit of this program. And please ask your silly questions. Don't worry. I know what it is. So one aspect of this is going to be how to use our laptops properly, personal computers, mobiles. I don't know how many of you know what is a webcam, what is a microphone, what is a speaker, how it connects. All these basic things we will talk. All this is very simple. In 1 or 2 sessions, we'll finish all this. Understanding and using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sharing features. So all these basic things we will talk about. And we will also give you certain uncommon knowledge, because when I was studying all this and I was trying to pick up, so I also found, oh, this is there, oh, this is there, oh, this is there. So sometimes, we'll also know that all this was in front of us and we were not using it. So we'll begin over here. Then we will move on to so next we come into using WhatsApp, using communication apps. So try to understand. Now what I'm trying to do here is that I'm trying to talk about various aspects of digital technology which our group should know, so that they become 12th pass in digital technology. Okay? So all the various facets, I'm 100% sure that this a presentation from such an orientation is not readily available. It may be there in people's mind, but this kind of a holistic wrap up of digital technology and the various things that we need to know before we are 12th pass in digital technology is not available. This is a very unique presentation, and it comes from my own 6 months of study of digital technology. I have been a student last 6 months, and I have a background in early computers in my college days, but I have not really been that digital because of lockdown and all. I have a lot of time, and what was my journey? What was the problem I had? Uh, what were the issues that I had in this journey? If somebody could have taught me, or somebody could have told me, how I could have avoided or I could have grown faster. All those things I'm going to take care, so that you don't struggle with the basics. That will be my idea. Let us see how far we exceed, but that's the whole idea, to make it faster for all of you. When it comes to communication apps, we will talk more about WhatsApp, but we will also talk about FB Messenger, Facebook Messenger. We'll talk about Telegram and few others. All common features will be discussed. For WhatsApp, we'll go into more detail because it's personally my preferred platform as of now. For most of our campaigns, most of y'all on WhatsApp, you all came to this academy on WhatsApp. We'll go into more detail on that, but we'll discuss other platforms also. Then we will talk about the next aspect of technology, digital technology. We'll talk about common webinar tools like Zoom, Google Meet. You know, 1 month back, 2 months back, my hands were not moving on Zoom. But today you see I'm conducting this entire session on my own. So it's not tough. It's just to know how it works, you know. So, common webinar tools like Zoom, Google Meet, WebEx, Webinar Jam, Demio, all these things we will discuss. Then how to create content. This is a big challenge. All of us want to convey our thoughts, but we are not able to. Suppose if you want to send a small video message to somebody, inviting him for some nice thing, maybe for meditation, maybe. So how do you do it? So these were the handicaps. For years, you know, I'll tell you, not being able to use graphics properly was a big reason that for so many years I was not moving forward in digital technology. And once I used my willpower, I have to do it somehow. Then I came to this beautiful feature called Canva, and it's an app, and so many features of it are free. One of you need to mute. Can you please look at whose phone is on? Just help, please. There's a background noise. So, so we are going to talk about how do we create graphics using Canva. How are you? How we are going to use PowerPoints and Google Slides to create presentations. How we will do voice recording using our mobile phones. Many of us don't know that how we can record messages. How we can use English editors like what we use Word document or wherever you write. How do you correct the English grammar of it? That is the problem. All of us are shy. Meri English अच्छी नहीं है, मेरा गलती हो जाता है. So there, I mean, you don't have to worry. There's a lot of English editing which is possible free. So you look at those aspects. Then creating video content and editing. Basic creating a simple video content, 2-minute video, 3-minute video. You see, I'm posting on the Learners Academy. And how do you edit? Simple. If most of you, if you have Windows 10, how many of you all are aware that there is editor? How many of you have used a window? How many of you all have used a video editor? Or let's put it this way: how many of you all want to learn basic video editing? Press 1. Those who want to learn basic video editing, press 1. Okay, I have 2 responses. Only 2 of you all. Okay, Vivek, Rajesh, Minaz, 5 out of 18. All right, not bad. So 30% of you all want to learn video editing. Others don't want to learn because they think it's very difficult.
No, I also want to learn, but my message, it doesn't go, Vishal Bhaiya.
It's fine. It's okay. When we do Zoom, we'll teach you how to use it.
Okay.
Thank you for participating. Thank you. So, video editing, I thought, oh, this must be a big tamasha. Oh my God, within 1 hour, you will start editing your videos. In Windows 10 itself, the amount of research I did, which video editor I should use, and I downloaded this and downloaded that. I paid a little money here and there. Finally, brothers and sisters, for that purpose that we have, that editor is available free in Windows 10. Yes. And I will, all the pain that I had to go through, you will not have to go through. And I will very simply tell you how easily you can use that. Okay. So as I said, I am passing on my learning curve to all my brothers and sisters and all co-companions of goodness, so that they can take the goodness wave forward faster. So these are some things. These are things related to content creation. So whether it is audio, whether it is video, whether it is voice, or whether it is PowerPoint, or whether graphics, we will touch all of it. Remember, we are not talking about expertise here. We are talking just enough so that you can participate in goodness campaigns. Okay, and you can unleash the goodness in you. You can use it for your business, of course, but our objective here is to get you to, if PhD is an expert level in digital technology, after doing this program, you will be 12th pass. So the next component that this program will talk about will be social media platforms, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. Here, we'll give you basic information and training that you should be able to use all of these, and you can then decide where you want to be an expert and do some small courses in one or two of them and become expert. But our job will be to introduce you to all of them and get you going, start your account. So, you become, you are already on social media. And then based on what you like, the type of platform you choose, you can go deeper. So this is another great program, another great component of our learning, unlocking the power of Google. So all of us, we think that Google is a search engine. How many of you all are aware that there are so many tools, beautiful tools and programs that Google is giving us free? I'm amazed. I was not aware till 2.5, 3 months back. I was not aware. I went through technology training, and I was shocked. And what I'm writing here is just a few things. There are so many other things. Gmail. How many of us have how many of us? All of us, I'm assuming, use Gmail here. And sorry, if you're going to attend this program, you will have to start a Gmail account. Yahoo will not work. You must have a Gmail program, because I will be using YouTube a lot, and not all videos will be available for everyone. So there will be some private videos which I'll be may share with you, or there could be people who will say, no, I will do only for the participants. I don't want it to do it for everyone. So you will get access only if you have a Gmail. If you have a Gmail ID. So if you don't have, please go ahead and make a Gmail ID. So how many of you all are, let me check with you. How many of you all are segregating your Gmails, your email that you come in your Gmail account? How many of you all are putting it under promotion, social, updates? There are various categories in which you can put your emails. By default, if you're using Gmail on your mobile, social and yes, thank you for putting one. So for putting, so just put one for those who are using this. There is a, yes, thank you. So there is not only just social, there's not only just promotional. You can create more categories. You can create which are just normal updates. You can also put other labels, so that certain type of, if you want to put something as very important, it will immediately go into that very important folder, and you can always look at those emails first, and don't have to do everything. So okay, let me ask, how many of you all know that once you send an email, for up to 30 seconds, you can undo the sending? How many of you all know? Those who know, press 2. Those of you who know that once you send an email, you can stop it from going for another 30 seconds. Press 2. Who already know this? Okay. So 4 or 5 of you all are aware. Good. Yeah. 1 minute. Let me just admit one participant. I'll just join you back. Yes. Thank you. So, Namaste, Vinod Bhaiya. Welcome. So this, yes. So some of you have pressed 2, but imagine, I didn't know this, that you could do this, this configuration that we are able. Now let me ask you another question. How many of you are aware that you can send a confidential email to somebody, which you can put an expiry date, that after so many days, it should expire? How many of you are aware? Press 3. Those who are aware that you can send such a confidential email in Gmail, press 3. Anyone who knows this feature? No, right? It's shocking. I also didn't know it. You can actually send a confidential email and say that in 7 days it should expire, or 3 hours it should expire. You can also put an OTP, that if that person puts that OTP inside, then only that email will open up. See, the power of Gmail. And it's free. You don't have to pay anything, but you're not aware. And suppose if you are aware of this, how much, how well we can do this. So let me not, let's move forward. The whole idea is that how do we use Google and the Google services in a very efficient way? The Google Drive, the Google Form, the Google Spreadsheet, the Google Sites. Using Google Sites, you can create a free website for yourself. Free. It's not like a great WordPress website, but for the purpose of most of us that we have a simple website or just to start where we don't want to spend money, this Google Sites is available. How many of you are aware of Google Sites or who have used it? For all those who are aware of Google Sites, press 4. That I know what is Google Sites. Press 4. I'm just checking whether this program structure that I have made is only I am excited or I'm on the right track. If no one is replying, then I'm happy that it's on the right track, because this is the information that I want all the community members to learn and enjoy. Thank you so much. So let's move on. So we have completed this section of what we intend to do. Now this is once we have done all the other things which we have spoken so far, then the very important aspect will be understanding that how to run goodness campaigns. So before this, whatever I have talked about is subcomponents. I've talked about social media. I've talked about the computer and the mobile. I've talked about using Google effectively. I've talked about creating content. But how does all this stitch together? Karna kya hai? Ye sab cheez ko, how does it work all together? So again, this is a very big thing called strategy, and I cannot go into everything into this, but we'll give sufficient knowledge so that if tomorrow, whatever you want to say, if somebody is a donation campaign, or you want to invite people for some meditation, or you want to just inform people of this world about something, and you can create your own goodness campaign. Right? Let people, how you will use Facebook, how you will use YouTube, how will you use email, how you will, how will you make an email list, how you will send them emails. All these things will, we will learn how it all stitches together. Okay. One very important thing is that once you have done all this, I will request all of you to get into personal branding. You should have your own website. You should have your own blog. You should talk about yourself, who you are. Because the problem is good people are not only money shy, but they are also shy of projecting themselves. Why should you be shy from projecting yourself? I think most of you all are heartfulness people. So let me talk about it. Have not times changed? We have seen the great Shariji Maharaj. He was not so much into media and projections and things like that. But with the change of time, our new guide is so much into this. You're seeing Daji everywhere. So what is the cue that we are learning? You should learn that if your intention is pure, and if you really want to help people, then what's the point in being in the shade? Come forward and shine. So end of it, at the end of this, when you have, if somebody is not muted, can I request him to just silently go on mute? Thank you so much. So what is the point in, having a great vision, having the power to serve, and then being in one corner there? What is the point? Nope. It's pointless. Come in the center. Let the world see. Of course, there's a danger that your ego will go up. There you have to do a lot of cleaning. You have to take regular sittings, wash dishes, so that your ego doesn't go up. There's a danger in all this. If your ego gets pumped up, then it's a problem. But you have to face that danger. What to do? Because no point in being in the shade. You have to go forward. So we will help people build personal brands, and so that they can shine forward. We'll show you the method. Okay, how to do this. Again, whatever I'm telling you, this is very vast. Remember, if expert level is PhD, we are talking about 12th pass. That's the level we are going to do this. Now, most important is the method of community learning. So please don't look at me as a coach who's going to teach each and every topic to you, like this. No, it's not going to happen that way. How it is going to happen is I'm going to put in the group content which you will have to see and learn from. Okay. Some videos I will record where I feel the content is not good, or if the content has missing information which is useful for you or vital, I will create that content and fill the gap. But if the content is already there, available, that is what for the people who came in late, this whole exercise in community learning is going to be a tap on our head. That, instead of asking people, go and learn. Ask Google how to do it. Ask YouTube how to do it, and you will learn. Once you are a part of this group, you will break your learning barriers. You will break your learning barriers. I'm telling you. I have spent so much time and money learning things about digital technology, which I'm telling you was a waste. 50-60% of my expenditures are waste. because there was no one to guide me that ye karne ka zarurat nahi hai, this is available on YouTube. Or, you follow this, read this, and you'll get it right. Don't pay that guy so much money. No one was there to guide me. And then but it's okay. So at least if one brother has made a mistake, the other brother and sister don't have to do that. No? You can follow my learning curve, my learning path, and move fast and do things which are relevant. And it will be a great. There is a saying in English which says, "Give me a fish, I eat for a meal. Teach me a fish, and I eat a lifetime." So this is about lifetime training. Once you've learned digital training, digital technology in the method that I am showing you, you can learn anything in life at a very, very, very less or cheap rate. So you don't have to cheap, not in terms of cheap, but I never, the word cheap I withdraw. It's not really cheap, but don't have to get fooled by people. Don't have to spend more than what is necessary. You have to spend what is necessary, and you should give, because that is not a good attitude to have to money where you don't want to give at all. That is also a wrong attitude. But why spend 10,000 rupees when it can be done in 1,500 rupees? That is what I am trying to promote here. And you will get a lot of information. You will see pre-recorded content. You will see live. Once we put something pre-recorded, we put some material, then we will have live doubt session, live doubt solving sessions. We can have it twice a week, maybe a little late in the night because it's a working day. I am also working. So maybe we'll fix up a time, 9 o'clock, after 9, something like that. We can fix up 9:30 maybe for 1 hour. Whatever has been posted, the questions can be asked. And if you've not understood something, then I will do a live session on that, and we will solve that problem. But we will make sure that you've got it. We will that will be a very sincere attempt from my side, that I can handhold everyone and make sure they've got the essential. My personal aim is that whoever actively participates in that group becomes 12th pass in digital technology. If PhD is expert level, he should reach 12th. Okay? After that, then once you understood the basics, then you can go on your own and build your empire in the direction you like. All of us will learn from community members. It's quite possible that some of you may know a few things more than I do. Please share. I am willing to learn. Digital technology is a vast field. Not everybody can know everything. So that's we will learn from each other in the group. Then there will be certain practical exercises. There are 3 ways to learning. If you want, you can remember. I picked it up from a great coach. He said there are 3 things there are 3 elements that should be there in coaching. Learning from an expert, or expert not necessarily that he's the best, but he knows enough for you to take you up to the level. Like my vision or my limited vision is to take you till 12th pass in digital technology. The reason is that I am in the last year. I am not a PhD myself. I am not a postgraduate, but I am definitely, I consider myself 4-5 levels above than 12th pass. So I am trying to pass on that information and knowledge like a pipe. I have got something and I'm passing it on. This is an aspect of heartful giving. So one is learning from people who are ahead of you, or experts if you can find. Second is learning from community members, co-learners. Like all of us are co-learners. So we have to learn from each other, sharing, caring. And the third is, when you do things. This is the thing about exercises. So when we'll always try to give some exercise wherever we can, and all of you all should do that exercise, practical, so that learning becomes strong. So this is the way we will be learning. Your participation is very important. You should be reading up the material that I sent. I have requested that 6 hours a week is required if you're in that group. Otherwise, if it comes to a point, we have not been successful in other 2, learning groups that we created. We created one group in communication skills, and there was some participation, but it was not very little. I mean, we didn't charge anything, nothing. It was just a self-improvement group, and few people participated, but many did not. So that was a little. Then we created something on health. There was some participation, but after that, the participation. So we are also learning that maybe we are not presenting the content in the right way, or we are not involving people in the right way. So this is another attempt. Let us see whether this works, because without community participation, there's no point in continue to do training programs. So within this group, after a point, if the participation is not there and people are not taking interest, then there's no point in just continuing this. Then maybe I'll have to think of another way of how to be helpful to people. Maybe my approach is wrong. Maybe something is wrong. So the whole idea is participation is very, very critical. And finally, if you're gaining from here, my humble request is start teaching others. That is the best way to learn. Why am I one selfish interest in teaching all of you all is that my knowledge gets refined and it gets stronger. So I have to revise everything. I have to relearn and I have to put it in a way that is understood by people. So this is a great process. Don't be shy in teaching. So look at people who want to learn from you, and whatever you're learning from here, if you learn something in 1 week, share it with somebody else in the second week, third week. And that is a great, powerful way of learning. So this is the social media learning group. Some of you have already joined. Those who have not joined, I'm going to post the link in this group. And I will also by late evening or tomorrow morning post this video. And those who still want to join, I'll keep the group open for another 2 days. Somehow I feel we have a strength of 25. I thought at least if we were 50, that would have been a good idea. I was a little surprised. I thought a lot of people will join, but maybe the message did not reach, or maybe the communication is not clear. Doesn't matter. But after this video, if you like what is being said in this video, please invite people. Paisa to hai nahi, we are not charging. But there are two conditions, that the person should be ready to give 6 hours a week. Okay. He says, "Mere paas time nahi hai." Don't force anybody. Time nahi hai to jane do, because this is a learning group. And second is, after he's learning, he can use his knowledge for his business and all that. No problem at all. He should. But he should also be ready that when Heartful Learners Academy releases a campaign of goodness, which he doesn't have an objection to. If you have an objection to, don't promote. But if you are you are happy that no, this is a good campaign and I must promote, then please promote it. Then, so we are removing, that is our, as an academy, our selfish interest that, the goodness should spread and it should not remain with us. I don't know why we don't do that. How much time does it take to spread the message? How much time does it take to put one Facebook post? How much time does it, we don't do it. Thoda sa dil kholna padega. Thoda sa, we have to give 15 minutes a day for others. Give half an hour a day for others. Makes so much difference. Because finally, this community is about we consciousness. It's all about helping manifest the we consciousness, the consciousness of the great saints and the masters of the world who sees humanity as one. We know this, but we do not have enough supporting structures, rule, system, which works on we consciousness. So this Heartful Learners Academy is one such thing where we talk about heartful learning, heartful earning, and heartful giving with an idea that when you are executing anything, you're not talking about I, you're talking about we. So please participate, and that's the whole idea. Slowly we start doing things with the we consciousness, not limited to an I consciousness. The me is there, but there is no me separate from the we. It's a journey, we'll reach there. But let us start doing things that matter. Those who okay, please put I will in the chat box. If I have a commitment from all of you that after learning whatever the Heartful Learners Academy has to offer, you will share it with others with a free heart and give 15-20 minutes, half an hour, once in a while to do this. If you will do that, please put I will. Much. Thank you so much for your love. This is what matters. That we should. Thank you so much. So this is the end of the official presentation. Now I am ready to take some questions. Today, we are 19 people. That's amazing. That's very good. So maybe you can switch on your camera and you can come unmute and you ask questions. You can ask questions about the objective and the vision of Heartful Learners Academy, or you can ask anything about technology, or you can also ask me about what you would like to learn, what I have covered, and you feel, okay, Bhaiya, if you can do this, this will also be nice. I would love to. I'm just going to put the vision of Heartful Learners Academy once more, so that those who came in late can get a chance to see this.
भैया ये सिर्फ अभ्यासियों के लिए है कि हम और जो अभ्यासी नहीं है उनको भी प्रमोट कर सकते हैं?
अरे अरे, इसमें अभ्यासी का कुछ भी नहीं है भैया। जो भी जिसका दिल में ये बात है कि हमें जिंदगी में दिव्यता लानी है, मेरी जिंदगी में और दूसरों की जिंदगी में दिव्यता लानी है, वो इसमें आ सकते हैं।
ओके ओके
नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू अभ्यासी।
ओके ओके ओके।
और बताएं। I'm just trying to get my screen. I'm struggling a little. Let me see how to fix it. Okay. You see, even. Okay. Yes. Any other questions? We have 10 minutes more.
भाई मुनीरा here.
Yes, Munira.
भाई Google में ना there is this new app called Equid which they're promoting.
E-commerce.
Yes.
Yes.
You think it is good?
I'm going to launch. I'm going to use that in a while and get back to you on that. I have not used it, but I am feeling tempted to use it because it's a Google thing, and it should be good. And I'm going to use it. But we are not going to talk about business and e-commerce here, Munira. This is about goodness campaigns. And when you're a part of the IOH Bisky team, you can post that question there. I will answer that over there. This is not this is not about business.
One thing more भैया कि it is 6 hours daily learning program. So
Because weekly.
weekly 6 मतलब 2 hours per day.
1 hour per day.
1 hour per day.
हाँ।
ओके ओके ओके।
मतलब और वो आपका है, मैं 1 घंटा नहीं देने वाला हूँ। मैं आपको मटेरियल पोस्ट करूंगा, लेकिन आपके पास दिन में 1 घंटा होना चाहिए उसको स्टडी करके समझने के लिए।
ओके ओके। मतलब ये है ना, पूछेंगे हम 6 घंटे पर डे बिजी रहेंगे तो दैट विल बी
ना 6 hours per week हमने लिखा है, डे नहीं है।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू।
Yes, any further questions? Somebody said I am a newbie and want to learn. Yes, all newbies are welcome. This program will begin with a bit of basics, and in case if you're not getting something in this program, I am repeating myself. Please feel free to ask. Because unless you give me a feedback that you've not understood or you're expecting something else, it won't help. Yes.
When it will start, sir?
We will. This was the first. This first part of the program. In maybe 2 days' time, maybe Wednesday, probably we can start. Okay. I will open it up for new people to join. I was hoping, as I said, for at least 50 people. We are about 25, 27.
10 people I will give tomorrow.
Oh, wonderful. लेकिन भाई साहब उनसे वो commitment ले लीजिएगा.
After taking commitment, मतलब they are all abhyasis actually. 1 or 2 are non-abhyasi. They will also be included after taking commitment from them.
Very good. See, this is the enthusiasm that is needed.
अभी भैया वो झारखंड वाले ग्रुप में हमारे 5, 6, 7 कोहॉर्ट फैसिलिटेटर थे. दे आर वर्किंग अंडर मी. आई एम CL देयर. तो वो 6, 7, 8 लोग थोड़े इसमें कंप्यूटर में थोड़े कमजोर हैं, तो वो बड़े खुशी से ज्वाइन करेंगे.
अरे भैया, यही तो हम चाहते हैं कि ये हमारे लोग जो अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं वो बेचारे कंप्यूटर में कमजोर हैं. वो उनके लिए तो है. मतलब आपने तो मेरे पे बहुत बड़ा उपकार किया ये बात बोल के. ये इन्हीं लोगों के लिए है.
नहीं, मैं आई बार फेसिंग. अब उनको मुझे बार बार बताना पड़ता है. मैं खुद ही नहीं जानता हूँ, लेकिन इधर उधर करके बताता था जितनी भी नॉलेज थी. बट इट विल बी ए ग्रेट थिंग फॉर देम टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू.
To learn from all of us. I am leading the learning process.
Yes.
बाकी हम सब हम सीखेंगे ऐसा.
तो थोड़ा सा मैं पूछना चाह रहा था.
हाँ, कौन बोल रहे हैं भैया आप?
विकास बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
हाँ, अपना कैमरा चालू कर लीजिए भैया. देखें आपको भी. Nice to see you also. नमस्ते.
मैं नजर आ रहा हूँ क्या?
जी
Am I visible?
आप, आपकी टोपी, आपका शर्ट, आपके पीछे का पर्दा सब दिख रहा है.
सब दिख रहा है.
तो मुझे खुद को क्यों नहीं दिख रहा हूँ?
खुद नहीं दिख.
भैया आपके राइट साइड पे टॉप में एक खाना होगा. आप मोबाइल पे हैं कि किस पे हैं? लैपटॉप
हाँ
पे हैं?
मोबाइल पे हूँ। हाँ
मोबाइल के
मोबाइल।
सेटिंग्स आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिमेम्बर मोबाइल सेटिंग्स, लेकिन वहां पे एक विंडो होता है, वहां पे अगर आप दबाएंगे कि व्हाट द विजुअल शुड बी ऑन योर स्क्रीन, इट शुड बी टाइल्ड और 2 people, तो आ जाएगा। चलिए वो हम करेंगे जब जूम करेंगे। अब आप बताइए भैया, आपका क्या सवाल था?
हाँ मैं सिर्फ इतना सा कह रहा था कि मुझे कुछ समझ लीजिए, जैसे बिल्कुल ही स्टार्टर के रूप में अगर कुछ करना है
हाँ।
तो मुझे जैसे कौन सा माइक खरीदना है, हार्डवेयर वाला पार्ट जो होता है ना,
हाँ
वो वाला भी अगर आप थोड़ा सा कवर कर लें।
हाँ हाँ
हाउ टू स्टार्ट द स्टूडियो, लाइक अगर वीडियो बनाना है कोई, तो अभी जैसे माइक है, कोई रूम में बैठे हैं अपन, तो रिवर्बरेशन ज्यादा नहीं आए या क्लैरिटी आए वॉइस में, वो चीजें मेरे को
देखिए, इस सवाल का जवाब मैं आपको बड़ा सिंपल सा देता हूँ। आपको मैं जब भी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, जितना भी अटेंड, आपको कोई भी समस्या हुई वॉइस की या विजुअल की, कुछ नहीं हुआ ना?
हाँ नहीं हुआ।
मैं कुछ भी यूज नहीं कर रहा। ये सब अनलेस यू वांट टू मेक अ प्रोफेशनल थिंग, जो मतलब एक प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे जा रहा है, तब तो आपको स्टूडियो क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा। लेकिन जो हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, गुडनेस कैंपेनर्स, कि भाई हमें
हाँ
लोगों
हाँ
को हमारी बात पहुंचानी है या उनको मोटिवेट करना है, उसके लिए सब की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। दो आई विल गिव यू द मटेरियल, आई विल टेल यू कि ये 4 चीज आप करें तो आपका बढ़ता जाएगा। मैं फिर कह रहा हूं कि यहाँ पे हम लोगों को प्रोफेशनल या एक्सपर्ट लेवल पे लेके नहीं जा रहे हैं। हम उनकी जो रुकावटें हैं डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करने में, मतलब यू विल बी एबल टू डू एवरीथिंग दैट आई एम डूइंग। जिस लेवल पे मैं आ गया, मैं आपको वहां तक ले आऊंगा। दैट
ओके।
इज वेयर इट इज। एंड और मैंने भी ये सब किया है। ये क्या है, वो किया, बाद में मुझे पता चला यार ये सब की जरूरत ही नहीं है। It is what we have in our hand, our mobile and our thing is 90% time sufficient. ऐसा है।
नहीं, मुझे जो दिक्कत आ रही थी कि वो मोबाइल से जब रिकॉर्ड करते हैं अगर अपन कुछ, तो या तो बहुत पास में रखना पड़ता है, अगर दूर रखते हैं अपन तो उसके अंदर वॉइस की क्लैरिटी नहीं आती है। जोर से बोलो तो रिवर्बरेशन आता है, और अगर किसी जने को साथ में बैठ के अपन बात कर रहे हैं, समझ लीजिए किसी से, और अपन दोनों मिलकर रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं, तो उस केस में फिर उसकी आवाज बिल्कुल, वो तो अगर कॉन्शियस नहीं है इस बारे में कि यार जोर से बोलना है, तो वो डिम आउट हो जाती है वॉइस।
ठीक, तो इस वी विल कवर दिस पॉइंट। जब 2 आदमी इंटरव्यू कर रहे हैं तो साउंड
हाँ
सिस्टम कैसा होना चाहिए वो हम कर
हाँ
लेंगे,
वो
बिल्कुल कर लेंगे,
थैंक यू
कर लेंगे।
थैंक
थैंक यू सो मच। और किसी को दिस इज अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन, आई विल आल्सो गेट बैक। इस तरह का और किसी को कुछ सवाल पूछना हो या कुछ हमारे साथ विनोद भाई हैं। विनोद भैया नमस्ते, नाइस टू हैव यू।
How are you?
हाँ विनोद भैया कैसे हैं? बड़ा
अरे
अच्छा लगा आपने लर्निंग ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया।
genuine and nice effort. I hope to learn a lot from you.
हाँ विनोद भैया, आई एम प्रिविलेज्ड दैट टू हैव यू अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस ग्रुप।
No,
थैंक यू
nice.
विनोद भैया। Any
Thank-
special expectation that you would like to talk about, or which 2-3 areas which concern you in digital technology? You tell me, so I will know whether I have covered it or not.
No, you have covered everything, and I think the one thing you said that we people, older generation, shies away from projecting themselves, and I think Daji has led the way for us, and we should learn this technology and spread Lalaji's message throughout the world. I think it will go a long way in serving that need of the hour.
Wonderful. So my request to all of you who, once I release this video and the join in link, if you really you watch the video, some of you have came in late, watch the video again, and if you resonate, I mean, get more people who can benefit from this to join, and it will be so nice, because using technology, whether we are training 2,500 people or we are training 25 people, the effort is the same. Yes, the doubt sessions and all have to be done in smaller groups, but that is another problem. But it would be so nice. Somehow I was very surprised that only 27 people registered. I thought this would be a campaign where I will have to form 2 groups, and I was very surprised that only 25 registered. So I am extending this for 2-3 days, brothers and sisters, with a special request that those of you all who have now understood the objectives and what this digital upgrade is all about, please invite others. And I will not ask for their email and telephone number, nothing. I will just send the Google invite, And once they get comfortable, they can share their other details later with us. I will just send the link. You just have to send the link with this video. And if it comes from known people, see, if I am only circulating, you are joining because you know who is Vishal. But when Vinod Bhai does it or Vikas Bhai does it, या हमारे शुक्ला जी जब करते हैं, और या हमारी प्रगति बहन जब करती है, तो उनकी credibility भी साथ में जुड़ती है ना, कि they are sending something which is very nice. Let us, do this. तो ये मेरा बहुत ही विनम्र निवेदन है कि इसको थोड़ा सा और पॉपुलर करें, थोड़ा और लोगों को ज्वाइन कराएं with the vision in mind, and the two conditions कि भाई he will be a heartful campaigner, he will support goodness, and also that he is ready to put in 6 hours a week towards learning.
So those who are comfortable and willing, will they directly fill the form?
I maybe that filling the form was a restriction. I will not send the form at all. I will send a join link. If you press the link, you become part of that group. Simple.
Okay.
So maybe people were feeling shy in giving the data. So maybe that could have been a little problem. So let me change.
Those who are willing, if they want to give their data, they can give also, no?
Yes, they can give. Most welcome. I don't want that to be a restriction. That's all.
Okay.
Because लोग सोचते हैं कि मोबाइल नंबर क्यों दें, हम ईमेल, तो एक बार थोड़ा ग्रुप में रहेंगे, कंफर्टेबल हो जाएंगे, तब हम ले लेंगे, कोई इशू नहीं है उसके अंदर. ठीक है. So I am very extremely happy that all of you all took time out and you came. And maybe after 3 days, maybe Wednesday or Thursday, we will start our. It should have started tomorrow, but I'm postponing it with 3 days so that more people can join. And once, probably on Thursday, we will start. Today is Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll give time for campaigning to get people to join this. And then we will start from Thursday. Okay. And all of you have my gratitude. And I will try my best that all that I know about digital technology, I will be able to convey to you in a sense that all of you will become 12th level. If expert is PhD, all of you all will have a strong foundation and you will do everything that I am doing.
Sir, हम लोग इस knowledge से 16वें दर्जा पास हो जाएंगे, not only 12.
बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you everyone, and it's 8 o'clock, and we'll wind up now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Good night, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night, everyone.
Thank you, Vishal.
Thank you.